Remember when you could pop the hood, swap out a battery, change your spark plugs, or fix a sensor with a $20 part and a YouTube tutorial? Yeah, those days are over. In 2025, car repairs aren't just harder, they're borderline impossible for the average owner. Why? Because automakers are locking down modern vehicles with encrypted software, proprietary diagnostic tools, and digital firewalls, turning your car into a black box you can't open. Today, I'm gonna dive into the death of DIY car repairs and why automakers want to keep it that way. Let's start with the biggest villain in this story: vehicle software encryption. Most modern vehicles, even economy models, now run on dozens of electronic control units. These control everything from your engine timing and airbag deployment to your windshield wipers and even your seat settings. But here's the catch: you can't access those systems without a manufacturer-approved scan tool, and in some cases, a subscription-based diagnostics license. So even if you repair a sensor or component yourself, your car might not recognize it. You need a dealer to reprogram it, which really means paying them hundreds of dollars to flip a digital switch, and that's if they let you. Let's take a simple repair, say replacing a car battery. Used to be a 5-minute job with a socket wrench. Now, you may need a battery registration scan so the ECU knows it's been replaced and you can calibrate charging behavior. Skip this step and your new battery could fail prematurely, or worse, trigger a dashboard light that requires a dealer visit to clear. Even changing brake pads can trip ABS and stability control errors unless the system is recalibrated. This isn't maintenance, this is manufacturing controlled gatekeeping. This gets to the bigger question: do you really own your car anymore? Automakers are lobbying hard against right to repair legislation. It's real, arguing that consumers can't be trusted with full access to their vehicle software. Why? Because control equals money. If they control diagnostics, repairs, and software access, they control the entire life cycle of your vehicle. That means you pay the dealer for every fix. You can't use cheaper aftermarket parts. You can't make performance tweaks. And even independent shops are blocked out without expensive subscriptions. That's not fair. It's monopolization, and it's killing your freedom to maintain your own car. So what does this mean for everyday drivers? You probably know the answer. It means higher costs, longer wait times, fewer choices. Independent mechanics are struggling to stay in business. DIY enthusiasts are being forced out of the garage, at least on newer cars, and your once reliable vehicle is now a rolling computer you can't control. Worse, if your car's systems are locked, you are stuck with dealer pricing, which could be hundreds or even thousands more than a local repair would have costed you. And don't think for a minute extended warranties will save you. Many don't cover labor for diagnostic software unlocks or reprogramming fees. How convenient. The death of DIY isn't just frustrating, it is deliberate. Modern car design is no longer about empowering owners, it's about controlling them. But you can fight back by staying informed, pushing for right to repair legislation, and being smarter when you shop for your next car. And if you are in the market now, don't overpay. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com. It's a free search tool used by thousands every day online to compare real-time pricing on new and used cars from dealerships near you. Make, model, and zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, expand that zip code. If you travel outside your area, you could save even hundreds or thousands of dollars by shopping elsewhere. Use quotes.everymandriver.com. Remember when a 60-month car loan felt long? Now we're seeing car loans stretch into 72, 84, even 100 months. That's more than 8 years. Do the math. Just to afford a car. But at what cost? Today I'm going to break down what this trend means for you, your wallet, and the automotive market as a whole. Spoiler, this isn't sustainable, and it could be the next big financial bubble hiding in plain sight. So in 2010, the average new car loan was around 60 months. Today, it's over 73 months. But lenders are pushing it further. 100-month loans are quietly becoming the thing. Why? Because car prices have exploded. The average new vehicle now costs over $48,000. Stretching out that term makes that $900 a month payment drop to $600. Sounds enticing, but it comes at a massive cost. You're not just buying a car, you're locking yourself into nearly a decade of payments, often with interest that quietly balloons your total cost by thousands. All right, kids, let's go back to school. Let's do some math. A $40,000 car over 100 months with a 7% APR, you'll end up paying nearly $55,000. That's $15,000 in interest. And here's the kicker. By year 5, your car is depreciating faster than you're paying it off. You are upside down on your loan, owing more than your car is worth. Want to trade it in early? Good luck. You'll need to roll that negative equity into your next loan, which means the trap gets deeper. This is exactly how auto debt becomes generational. Here's the question, who wins? The answer is obvious, right? Banks. They collect more interest. Dealers close more sales. Automakers keep demand high even as prices rise. And consumers, they're saddled with decade-long payments on cars they might not even want in 5 years or even own. It's a brilliant strategy if you're a lender, but for the average car buyer, it is a ticking time bomb. It sucks. The real danger? Auto loan delinquencies are rising. Subprime borrowers are defaulting at rates we haven't seen since the 2008 crisis. If more consumers fall behind on these massive loans, we could be looking at the start of a bubble fueled not by mortgages, but by metal. So here's the bottom line. Here's the hard truth. If you need a 100-month loan to afford the car's too expensive. Period. You can't afford it. Instead of stretching your budget thin, shop smarter. Consider used, lower trims, or more reliable vehicles, and always compare pricing before you ever walk into a dealership. You can do so by going to quotes.everymandriver.com. It's a free tool that lets you compare real-time pricing from qualified dealers in your zip code. New, used, whatever you need, car, truck, or SUV. It has helped thousands of buyers like you save serious cash, and it can help. There's also a direct link below this video to quotes.everymandriver.com. Drop me a comment. Have you ever taken out a long-term loan and regretted it? Defend it maybe. I want to hear your story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS car content. I'll see you in the next one.
One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.